Hey guys, this is Megan with Thousand Generation Farms. Harvest is done, and so we're kind of just cleaning up a little bit, but I want to show you kind of some bloopers or just things that every farmer has to kind of deal with and do after harvest or during harvest even. So once you come farming with us. So first order business is cleaning up this grain that we spilled in the field. I guess sometimes when you turn our our grain cart too tight, it'll, I don't know if it came out the top or came out one of the gates, I'm not sure, but Joseph's already been working at these two piles for a little while and there's still quite a bit here. So he decided to bring the gravity wagon out. Might save him some trips. We're actually at the back of our property line. I've never been back here, so it's kind of cool, but this is quite a bit. Like, Joseph thought it would just be like a mineral tub or two, but it's been a few already. You dropped the Lego. Yep, in the gravity wagon. He's gonna dump it in there. Then he'll take it and put it in the grain bin. You are? Cool. We're putting the corn in the bin, buddy. So we want the corn in the bucket. All these little bits of the corn stalk out of here, so there's the least amount of trash possible in the bin, and we get the corn in there. What's wrong, huh? You don't like it, huh? So Joseph's bringing